Good morning, friends. Topic 10-6 focuses on choosing any strategy to solve addition problems. Name at the top. You should have page, if you don't have these pages, we have a problem. 617, 618. There you go. Pause it if you don't, go grab it. So it says, choose any strategy to solve each addition problem, show your work, then explain. So you could just do regular order grouping. You could do partial sums. You could do open number line. You could just draw models. So 487, 212 adding. This one's not going to require any regrouping. You could just add down the columns, or you could draw. A model. This one I'm just going to add regrouping. 7 plus 2 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9, and 4 plus 2 is 6. I says then explain, use regrouping. Now, could you use regrouping for all these? Absolutely. My suggestion would be to try to change it up a little bit. Down here you have 419. It's 532. I'm going to use partial sums. So what am I going to add first? Hundreds. So I have 900. Tens. 40. And ones. 9 plus 2 is 11. That's partial sums. I used partial sums. How did I use partial sums? Quick refresh. It's been a little while since President's Day weekend and coming back. I took the hundreds and I wrote them first. I took the tens next, wrote them next, and I took the ones and I wrote them last. So 9 hundreds, 4, 3 plus 1 is 4 tens, and 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 ones is not going to fit in the ones column. It's going to have to go to the tens. Great. So here, let's do another partial sums. 874 plus 109. You could do regroup if you wanted to. It's giving you some options. We'll start here, and then here, and then here on partial sums. 8 plus 1 is 900. 900s. 7 plus 0 is 70. 7 tens. And then 4 plus 9 is 13. And that's going to be 900 plus 70 plus 30. 13 is going to be your answer down there. I used partial sums. So down at the bottom, you could do regrouping. You could do mental math if you wanted to. You could draw a picture. 650 plus 270 is, let's draw them. Let's do 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2 more. 1, 2. Here's my hundreds. 5 tens, 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then 0 and 0 ones is 0 ones. So now I've got to add it all together. So I clearly have 0 ones. Tens, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Ooh, problem. Gotta regroup. Let's exchange 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for 100. So I have how many tens left? 2 tens. And last but not least, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hundreds. So I drew blocks. So regrouping, partial sums, blocks. You could have done an open number line, or you could have just used mental math. On the back, a lot of story problems, pretty heavy on reading. Here we go. Lee School needs 407 folders for its students. Jefferson needs 321 folders for its students. How many folders do both schools need? 407 plus 321, add. Do that on your own. There are 229 people at the football game. 108 more people arrive. How many people are at the game now? 229 plus 108. Use whatever strategy you want. You could do regrouping. You could come up here and do partial sums. You could do open number line. Your choice. Mental math. Draw blocks. 2 more down at the bottom. Tommy found 125 plus 598. Since 598 is close to 600, he added 125 plus 600, and then he subtracted 2. Why does Tommy subtract 2? Well, why did he subtract 2? Why did he subtract 2? He added 2 because he subtracted. Oh, he subtracted 2 because he added 2 at the beginning, right? I'm going to get your eraser out. So he added 2 at the beginning. 598 plus 2 is equal to 600. So why did he subtract 2? He added 2 at the beginning. He needed to subtract 2. It's the inverse. You do not need this. My fault. Whoops. Don't have a pencil. Pen. So he added 2 here. He needed to subtract 2 later. That's why. That one's done. And then last but not least, it says there are 192 ants on the ant farm. 397 more ants join the ant farm. How many ants are in the ant farm now? Use a number line to solve. So we're going from 192 to, and we're going to add 397 to it. So you're going to break it down by the 300s and the 90 and the 7. Those are going to have to be added to it, and then explain it down at the bottom. Question, come see me. You get done, turn it in.